In this video, I will show you how you can fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox. Now the first thing we can do is we can open up CMD. From in here, type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Now type ipconfig /release ipconfig /renew. Now type it in, wait a little bit, and then your IP should pop up. Now the second option we can do is open up our apps and features in here. Find Roblox, should be somewhere here. You should have multiple Robloxes, Roblox Player and Roblox. If you only have one, that's fine as well. Click on it and uninstall. And you can do that with both. Now after it's uninstalled, you're gonna go to the website and install it again. Now if that still doesn't work, open up the home button, type in run. From in here, type in %local app data %go. From in here, you're gonna find your Roblox folder or Roblox, and you're gonna delete this folder. Now this might take some time. For mine it was really quick. If you have a lot of stuff, it's gonna take more time. However, just delete that folder and then try and launch Roblox once again. This should hopefully fix your problem. Thank you for watching.